G'day, and welcome to the VoC Viewer page. This is your dedicated workspace for managing and updating any in-progress verification of competencies. Think of it as your command center for tracking a person's training journey from start to finish. It's the best way to see who's learning what and how far along they are, all in real time. Up the top, you can do a search by asset roles or by names. You can click on the arrows next to a person's name to expand and see all their child skills and their competency progression. From here, you can track things like logbook hours. If you need to update something, simply click on the eyeball and you can edit the record directly. You can even send an SMS. Once all the child skills have been completed, the parent skill will show as complete. And that's the VoC Viewer in a nutshell. You can now easily manage your entire VoC lifecycle, keeping everyone's records accurate and up to date.